Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a video to your watch later playlist. So in order to do that, first open your video on your YouTube application which you want to add to the watch later playlist, and from here you can see this. You just need to swipe to the left, and here you will see this save button. What you need to do is just tap here for a second, and this animation box will pop up. From here you just need to check this watch later box and then press the done. So yeah, as you can see, this has been saved to your watch later playlist. Now how can you find this? So for that, just tap to your this icon, right, your logo, and after that, as you can see playlist, here you need to tap view all, and from here you says watch later. From here you can watch your video if any want, whenever you want, whenever you have some time to watch. So yeah, that's how you